Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we are going to explore the role of ethics and communication in the aviation industry. We will use the case study of the Scandinavian airline system, Flight 751. On December 27, 1991, the SAS Flight 751, piloted by Captain Stefan Rasmussen and First Officer Ulf Federmark, crash-landed. The aircraft was scheduled to fly to Copenhagen Airport from Stockholm, Arlanda, where it spent the night accumulating ice in snowy weather conditions. The aircraft will de-ice twice before takeoff. Shortly after the plane ascended, ice was lodged into the engine. This caused a detrimental force against the titanium fan blade, disturbing the airflow. This resulted in the engine surging. A fluid line then erupted, which caused combustion. The left engine caught a fire, which was extinguished and subsequently became dysfunctional. There was a power loss and both engines failed. The pilot led the plane to crash landing in an open field, which on impact broke into 3 pieces. After thorough investigation, there were many factors that contributed to the accident. After having the aircraft de-iced twice by captain's orders, technicians failed to identify that the upper wings were covered in clear ice. However, Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) states that it is the duty of the captain to ensure proper de-icing by hands-on inspection. Since there were no stairs present, the technicians and the captain depended upon visual inspection. Poor ethical standards in the SAS is also shown. While the pilot crew tried to regain aircraft stability, the automatic thrust restoration (ATR) activated and the throttle increased. Captain Rasmussen was confused. He had lowered the throttle. The captain proceeded to contain the surge within the best of his ability. Investigations determined that the ATR was implemented by the SAS without the pilot's education. This led to the pilots being unable to resolve the situation due to a lack of knowledge. However, there was good code of ethics displayed by Captain Bohomberg, a passenger of the flight, who offered his assistance in the time of the distress. He risked his life by placing himself standing in the cockpit without any safety devices. Also, there was an efficient flow of communication by the flight attendants, who proved to be highly efficient and adequately trained. They urged the passengers to follow the safety commands, which contributed to saving their lives.
Over 12, almost 13,000 hours I've been sitting there. I always felt that I put the aircraft back on like a rucksack, and when we took lift on the wings, we melded together.
After this accident, SAS enforced new training and flight simulation programs to ensure that their pilots were adequately equipped for any situation. It is seen that the SAS Flight 751 accident occurred due to a series of breaching in ethics and miscommunication. Also, implementation of new features to systems with failure to educate the pilots placed the pilots at a disadvantage in dangerous situations. Even though there were no fatalities, had the crew no expertise on aviation disasters, several lives could have been lost. This accident highlights the importance and vitality in communication and ethics employed in the entire aviation process. Mishaps in communication and breach in work ethic in this industry can lead to fatalities of up to hundreds of lives and millions of dollars.